Have you ever sat down at a local restaurant, scanned a QR code, and been forced to pinch and zoom on a blurry, unreadable PDF menu from 2005? It's a terrible customer experience, but for you, it is a gold mine. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to charge local restaurant owners $100 an hour to redesign their menus using entirely free tools inside Canva. You don't need a degree in graphic design, you just need this exact workflow. Let's break it down. Step 1 is finding the leads. Open up Google Maps or Yelp and search for independent mom-and-pop restaurants in your city. Avoid major chains, they already have corporate design teams. You are looking for cafes, diners, and local spots with great reviews but terrible photos. Go to their website. If their menu is a downloadable PDF or a blurry picture of a piece of paper, write down their email. Send them a simple message. Hey, I love your food, but your online menu is hard to read on mobile. I would love to redesign it for you so you get more orders. Offer to do the first page for free to prove your value. Step 2 is the actual design. Once they say yes, open Canva. Do not start from scratch. Type restaurant menu into the search bar. Canva has thousands of professionally designed templates that are already optimized for reading. Filter by the style of the restaurant: modern, rustic, elegant. Pick a template that fits their vibe. Now, here is the secret to making it look expensive: consistency. Delete the placeholder colors and immediately apply the restaurant's actual brand colors using Canva's Brand Kit feature. Step 3 is content injection. Copy their old menu text over, but follow the golden triangle rule of menu design. Diners look at the middle, then the top right, then the top left. Put their highest profit items like steaks or specialty cocktails in those zones. Emphasize them with a subtle box or an icon, and if they don't have good photos of their food, use Canva's Magic Media AI generator to create mouth-watering, hyper-realistic photos of a burger or a latte to perfectly fill the layout. Step 4 is the handoff, and this is where you justify your high rates. You aren't just giving them a PDF. Go to the Share button in Canva. First, export a CMYK PDF with crop marks and bleed turned on. This guarantees the physical prints won't get chopped off at the print shop. Second, use Canva's built-in QR code generator. Paste the link to the web-hosted version of the menu and generate a scannable code. You are delivering them a print-ready file and a modern digital table tent solution. So how do you price this? A standard multi-page menu redesign should take you about 2 hours using Canva templates. Charge a flat rate of $200 for the project. That is $100 an hour for dragging and dropping. Once you have 3 restaurants in your portfolio, you can start charging $300 or $400 for a comprehensive branding package. Stop overcomplicating freelance design. Master Canva, solve local business problems, and get paid. Subscribe to Genius Junkie for more Canva Cash strategies.